hit that next target. And I'd mentioned in my previous video on ABNB Airbnb here, primary off its primary downtrend line off the November highs here. I had issued a primary objective entry short trade setup, and that was good for a 17.7% drop here. We did initially have a pretty quick waterfall type sell off here. Came out and bounced right off that 150.73 price support, came up, got rejected alongside that 50-day moving average with that 159.31 price support, got rejected and came right back down to actually retest the 150.73, come right back up, and again slid and retested that 150.73 price support and broke through this time, and cleared that if not maybe off by 0.2% here. And what we'll do here now is we'll adjust it to make it tighter here, and it just obviously validates ever more so with more reaction there. So the more reaction, the more validation that we get off that primary level there. So we'll see again if we come to retest that 150.73, and of course if you're an active and or day trader, you could have swung this back up at least almost near the bottom of this 50-day moving average here for a 10.9%, call it 11% day trade scalp in one day, and actually recover that 150.73 price resistance, and closed right above it. So we'll see, maybe we get a retest of that 150.73 and start stair stepping here. If not, maybe consolidate more. But these are your key levels still. That 159.31 price resistance coinciding with that 50-day moving average. And if we do have a breakdown and a retest below that primary trend line off the Airbnb IPO lows there, then a solid daily candle close below that level, 140, call it 140.47. Then we'll issue a secondary sell signal, and from there you'd have to look at some Fibonacci projections to sort of validate some new targets. But that would be a huge breakdown off this symmetrical triangle here, especially with these huge negative divergences and bearish divergences that I continue to really establish here on all three indicators, including crossovers on both the MACD and oscillator, and a crack and breakdown below its zero line. So again, that would only validate that. And you know, the indicators and momentum indicators are slightly pretty damaged here, and already damaged, and that would just help validate a huge change in momentum and a huge trend change for this stock. So again, if the real estate market and rates begin to drastically shoot up with yields rising much faster, then we're going to see a huge slowdown on the real estate market, which will affect Airbnb, which is a component of the real estate market.